Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's Mark at GeorgeToon.com. I'm back with another video. A lot of folks out there saw my video on the Chieftain and the Vulcan safety razors by Vikings Blade, and they were curious as to the lengths of those razors. So I'm going to show you right here. Here we have the Chieftain, the Vulcan, and the Godfather. Of course, this is the Odin on the side, which is the limited edition color scheme of the Chieftain, so it's identical in size. The only difference is this beautiful color scheme here. So let's take a look at the length of these razors. Let's start with the Chieftain first. I'm going to take my tape measure and I'm going to just try to get it in there, just kind of slide it in there. There we go. Looks to be about 3.5 on the handle from underneath the head, almost 3.5. And from the top of the handle all the way to the bottom, almost 3 3/4. All right, that's the Chieftain. Okay, so let's take a look at the Vulcan. The Vulcan is their long-handled model, and I'm going to try to get this right in there and butt that up there just so it kind of gives me an accurate measurement. That looks to be it right there. Looks to be about 4.5. 4.5, yeah, about 4.5 inches length of the handle, and from the top of the cap to the bottom of the handle, almost about 4 3/4. That's what that looks like there, or thereabouts. This is the Godfather, and of course, you know what? Let's just take the handle off and measure it. That'd be easier because it's a 3-piece razor. We can do that. Looks to be about 4 1/4. Yeah, about 4 1/4. And with the razor head, let's just do it with the razor head on. I think I'm going to shave with this one tomorrow morning. Nice mild razor, really nice. Looks to be about almost, not quite 4.5, obviously. But that's it, almost 4.5. But those are the lengths of the Chieftain, the Vulcan, and the Godfather. And I hope that helps you in some way in helping you make a purchasing decision. Okay, hey, thanks very much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Comment below, let me know. Check out my blog, georgetoon.com/blog, for my comic strip George, other cartoons, other videos like this, and I'll see you again real soon.